In this video, I will show you how to redeem codes in PS5. If you do have any questions or comments regarding this tutorial, feel free to drop that down in the comment section down below the video. And with that being said, let's jump straight into it. So in order to redeem codes, it's actually quite easy to do. Now, as you can see, I'm currently here on my dashboard. The first thing you're going to want to do is come left to the PlayStation Store and then press X to enter into the store. What you need to do next is press up on your controller, so you come up to this menu at the top, and you want to come all the way to the right hand side and press onto the three dots just over here. Next, what you need to do is you're going to see a menu come up, and you can see the option here to redeem code. So if you go ahead and press X onto this, as you can now see, it's asking us to redeem our voucher code. So if you have got a 10-character discount code, what you need to do is add one or more items to your cart and enter the discount code at checkout. However, if it's like a 12-character voucher code, so like a PlayStation Network gift card or something like that, what you need to do is simply press X onto the box, and then you can just go ahead and enter your code into here. Once that's done, just press R2 to confirm. Then what you want to do is come down and press redeem at the bottom. So of course this one's not going to work because this is just a demo code. However, what you would do is enter that here, then you'd be able to press redeem, and that would be able to use the code. So that is how to redeem codes on PS5. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.